Welcome to Pallet Jackin. What is up, guys? Me, TJ there. I'm start over.
April. I don't know what he just said.
Y'all know what I meant. TJ and April here with another video. Pallet Jackin. Today we got a new pallet. That right there.
Yep.
And we are going to unbox it. It's hot, humid as hell.
Yep.
But we're gonna get it.
See, we got, I don't know what this is. You guys have nothing witty to say about that. Okay, guys, I figured out what they were. Flower pots. We got 4 of them.
Okay. What does it say?
It's a lamp holder.
Oh.
Indoor lights, so another light.
Okay. Which
we've been doing actually pretty good with the lights. You know, I think we sold, what, 3 lights?
Yeah, we just sold one just now, live.
Anybody need some tidy cats?
All right, this box is kind of messed up a little bit.
Yep.
I don't know what that is. Like a commode.
Oh, I think this is one of those, like, toilets. You
Open and used.
You know, right. I even.
Look, I hope it ain't used, y'all.
That's what it looked like.
Yeah.
Oh, God. I'm concerned.
Yeah.
I'm a little concerned.
Don't look like it's been used.
No.
We can open it. No, we can open it. I'll show you.
You got a box for them?
I had a knife somewhere. I threw it on the floor. My gold knife.
All right. I don't know if I want to touch it.
I don't either.
Oh.
What does it say?
I don't know.
Oh, well, that's what it is right there. A toilet. You want to slice that one over?
I will. Let me find a knife up under all this crap. Here it is. I don't want to cut nothing.
So I think this pallet is actually what they've been calling Chinese imports. So I think it costs too much for them to ship it back to China. So a lot of the stuff is probably new.
Let's see what this is. Man, they got this thing taped up pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
And how many of these we got? 2? 2. We got 2 of these. Okay. Warning. Not a toy. Like a, you know what this is?
Maybe a dog bed.
Maybe that's what it is.
That's what it is, a dog bed. So it's a pretty turquoise dog bed. It's brand new.
Yeah.
It must have been a rat. Don't chew through that.
Yeah.
Make sure hopefully ain't in there. What?
No, not just looking at the, whatever that is. So
yeah, it's like maybe a rat mouse was in it, so we'll make sure we inspect this pallet before I
put it in your
my
house.
garage.
Right. Set that over there somewhere.
Right.
And we got, ooh, it stinks too. I was wondering why it smelled bad.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
We'll clean that up and make sure it's good.
Oh, another pot. Another flower pot, you guys. Okay.
We got some art.
Yep. Okay. Little wine glasses.
Yeah. It's set 4 and it's they brand new.
Okay. And we got
Like 2 of these.
2. Okay. Let me put this back in here.
The good thing about this pallet is everything's in boxes.
Yep.
Already, so all we do is slap a label on it and send it on.
And I like that everything look like it's fairly new.
Yeah.
Let me set this back here. Might get some, try to get some of this stuff listed tonight, maybe. It's less
stuff up because
then it's not. Yeah, but you gotta check it. So
yeah,
that's brand new.
yeah, brand new.
I don't know what it is. Okay.
Show it.
Oh, it's cute. Brand new.
I got my allergies.
I know. All right, let's put that back in now. This is like maybe a home pallet.
Yeah, this is like a frame.
Okay.
Brand new, looks new.
Brand new frame.
And they've been open. There's two of these.
Two brand new frames. I'll take it out so you guys can see it. Maybe I can get it back in here. Hopefully. Yeah, that's good. All right, let me take that one.
I know when y'all see this video, my shirt will be dirty because these boxes are dirty.
Make it down. Well, we'll try to get what I can in the car, and I can. Well, I don't take no rats home with me.
Oh, I know it.
What is this? It's the picture.
Those are picture
Okay,
sets. So
this
two more of
picture.
those picture sets.
Two more. That's all I need is.
This is a box of nails. You see me smelling it.
Yeah, I know.
A box of nails for a nail gun.
Nails for a nail gun. Whole box of them.
I have to get this. It's kind of heavy.
Yeah, that look like it's heavy.
I don't know what this is. Or whatever it is, new. Like a piece that goes on a car or something. It said grab handle.
Grab handle cover. New. Not sure what that is, but we have one.
This is a bathtub caddy tray. That's what all these boxes are.
Okay, and we got a bunch of them.
Yeah. So these may be something we can send to Amazon if
Yeah.
they have it on Amazon. I'm sure they got it on Amazon.
Okay,
they are
depends on
Amazon
how
things.
much. Depends on
How much it costs. Right.
So we got that caddy tray for the bathtub, and we got how many boxes of those?
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17,
Got
18.
18 of these. So I think we should do pretty good depending on how much.
I like these boxes.
Me too.
Those, whatever that was. Can't remember what that was. We got another one.
Yeah. Whatever this is, we got another one.
I need to
You want
post
to keep
this.
it? So I want to keep it.
It says every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams, or wake up and chase them.
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about. Pallet Jackin.
That's our motto.
We got two. It looks like two of these.
Two of them. Okay.
Kind of rustic.
Yep. Ugh, if you guys can see it,
Let's take it.
about to knock myself out.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah. So anybody need any wall art?
Yeah.
This is something. Not sure. Hold on, I'm gonna take it out the plastic. I'm not gonna make anything up because I don't know. I'm wondering maybe it's something that goes to a car, maybe.
That's what I was thinking. Okay, this is those rat traps. Plastic rat traps. Probably
Might need
those.
got plastic rat traps. Might need to put one in that box over there.
Yeah. Oh. This is just a box of boxes. A box of boxes.
God, we need these. These are not for sale. A box of boxes. I'll take some of these. Okay, I'm gonna put these over here because we can split.
This is a gas pressure shock absorber. I can't even say that.
What he said. Gas pressure shock absorber.
All right, this is a graph and latch rug kit. I guess you make your own rug. Maybe it's Star of David.
Yeah.
This is an Alpine soap sanitizer dispenser.
Soap dispenser.
Oh.
And
Okay, those are heavy. Go ahead, you those.
And this is a floor stand.
Yes, a speaker stand.
Oh, yeah. I totally missed the first word. I just looked straight at floor.
Got something dirty.
Yeah. All right. I will open it and it can't close.
All right, this is some kind of scary doll.
Yeah, porcelain doll. It's like 2 of them, I think. I know.
They look old, like they was made in the 80s.
I know.
Maybe they vintage.
Maybe.
Hope they ain't haunted.
God, I hope not. Look, her face all wrapped up. That just makes it even more creepy.
Look at her hair though.
Long hair, don't care.
Right.
So we got 2 of those.
I mean, it's like real hair. Feel it.
So I wonder how, I'm gonna Google it. I'm gonna Google it, you guys.
And then now I can't get it back in now.
$30.
Okay.
So now we got 3 of them.
There's 3 of them?
Yeah, I got another one right there.
Okay. See, I guess I'll look up this speaker stand. See what that is. All right, this speaker stand is $39.99 on Amazon.
Okay.
It's the last thing. It's a vintage kitchen.
Ah. Toy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
Yeah. Look like it ain't been taken out the box.
No, it's got to be assembled.
So, $91.
Okay.
Yeah. So we got 4.
5.
5. We got 5 of them. So we got 5. And shoot, we could sell all of those brand new for $100. That'll pay for the whole pallet.
Yeah. One thing I learned last night was that these Chinese pallets, they said you can price them generally like close to what they sell for because they're already priced low.
Okay.
You know, they're already priced lower than what you would normally pay for something.
Okay.
So we can price these at, you know, we won't have to cut them down 50%, you know. So I think that is it, guys. Yeah. We got quite a bit of stuff. We got a lot of work to do tonight.
Yep. Pretty excited about this pallet actually because most of it was brand new.
And it's all in boxes. That's why I like the boxes.
Yeah, I know, right?
If you like these types of videos, like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys
See you next time
on the next one.